Welcome to the General Chemistry 2 class. This section is on electrochemistry. This lesson is about examples of galvanic cell. Let's begin. In this lesson, we will give different examples of galvanic cell. Recall that a galvanic cell can be created for redox reactions that occurs spontaneously. This cell can generate electrical energy from chemical energy. One common example of a galvanic cell is the Daniell cell. This cell consists of zinc and copper electrodes submerged in solutions of zinc sulfate and copper sulfate respectively. In this cell, zinc metal is the anode while copper metal is the cathode. This means zinc metal is the one oxidized in the cell while copper ion form copper sulfate is the one reduced. The half-cell reactions and overall cell reaction for a Daniell cell are as follows. At the anode, zinc metal loses 2 electrons. At the cathode, copper ion gains 2 electrons. The overall cell reaction is then given by zinc metal plus copper ion producing zinc ion and copper metal. Consider a copper-silver cell which consists of copper and silver electrodes submerged in copper sulfate and silver nitrate, respectively. For the galvanic cell to work, copper must be the anode while silver must be the cathode. The half-cell reactions and overall cell reaction for the cell are as follows. Copper loses 2 electrons at the anode and silver ion gains an electron at the cathode. The overall cell reaction is given by copper metal plus 2 silver ion producing copper ion plus 2 silver metal. So far, we have dealt only with galvanic cell in which the electrodes themselves are involved in the redox reaction. These electrodes are referred to as active electrodes. When the electrodes do not participate in the reaction, they are called inert electrodes. Platinum is commonly used as an inert electrode in galvanic cells. One example of such cells involves the reduction of cerium ion to cerium ion by nickel metal. Since the reduction of cerium ion does not produce a metal, the cell requires the use of an electrode that is inert to the reaction. The half-cell reactions and overall cell reaction for the cell are as follows. Nickel metal loses 2 electrons at the anode and cerium ion gains an electron at the cathode. The overall cell reaction is given by nickel metal plus 2 cerium ion, producing nickel ion plus 2 cerium ion. To summarize, galvanic cells can be created for redox reactions that occur spontaneously. Electrodes in galvanic cells can either be active or inert. Welcome to the General Chemistry 2 class. This quiz is about examples of galvanic cell. Let's begin. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10.